The 2025 Honda Mighty 13 tractor is redefining what compact tractors can achieve. This innovative machine combines power, versatility, and advanced technology, making it the ultimate tool for modern farming, landscaping, and property maintenance. Whether you're managing a small farm, working on landscaping projects, or need reliable machinery for construction tasks, the Mighty 13 stands out as an all-around performer. At the heart of this tractor is Honda's cutting-edge engineering, powered by a high-performance 3-cylinder diesel engine. The Mighty 13 delivers 25 horsepower with remarkable fuel efficiency. It's designed to handle tough conditions with ease while minimizing emissions, making it an environmentally friendly choice for those who care about sustainability. The engine's smooth operation and low noise levels also ensure a comfortable experience for operators during long workdays. One of the most impressive aspects of the Mighty 13 is its compact size, which makes it highly maneuverable even in tight spaces. This is particularly useful for small farms, greenhouses, or properties with narrow pathways. Despite its compact footprint, the tractor boasts a robust frame and can handle a wide range of heavy-duty attachments, such as loaders, backhoes, and mowers. This versatility allows users to tackle multiple tasks with a single machine, saving time and money. Honda has equipped the Mighty 13 with advanced technology to enhance user experience and efficiency. The tractor features a fully digital instrument panel, providing real-time information on engine performance, fuel levels, and maintenance alerts. Additionally, its hydrostatic transmission, HST, ensures smooth and precise control, making it easy for operators of all experience levels to use. With a simple push of a pedal, you can seamlessly switch between forward and reverse, which is particularly helpful for tasks like mowing or loading. Comfort is another key focus of the 2025 Mighty 13. The ergonomic seat and adjustable steering wheel ensure that operators can work comfortably for hours. The spacious operator platform provides ample legroom, while strategically placed controls are within easy reach, reducing fatigue. For those working in extreme weather conditions, the optional enclosed cab with climate control adds a layer of convenience and protection. Durability is a hallmark of Honda's design philosophy, and the Mighty 13 is no exception. Its rugged construction and high-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance, even under demanding conditions. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to easy access panels for routine servicing, which minimizes downtime and keeps the tractor running smoothly throughout the seasons. Safety is also a top priority for Honda, and the Mighty 13 comes equipped with advanced safety features, such as rollover protection, seatbelts, and bright LED lighting for improved visibility during nighttime operations. These features ensure that operators can work with confidence, knowing that their safety is well taken care of. The 2025 Honda Mighty 13 tractor is more than just a piece of equipment. It's an investment in productivity, efficiency, and reliability. With its blend of power, technology, and comfort, it's built to meet the diverse needs of today's farmers, landscapers, and property managers. Whether you're plowing fields, maintaining your property, or tackling a new project, the Mighty 13 is ready to get the job done.